Greetings, this is August 24th at 5 p.m. We're just taking a look inside the bush at some of the lodgepole pine that succumbed to mountain pine beetle and some of the procedures to eradicate the fuel. We are also going to look at the EO browser, and this is specifically the Sentinel satellite, and we can look at a lot of cloud cover today. There are adjustments where you can change the RGB level and maybe to get clear definition on the ground that is visible. However, there's not much information that we can tell from this other than the cloud patterns and which way that they're moving. If we look at yesterday on the same system, we see those patterns pushing from the south and moving those smoke plumes to the northeast. But let's take a look at the radiative scan for the region. This happened at 3:15 p.m. PST today, and there is a general cooling over the Cariboo region. We are seeing a lot of activity around Clean and the Elephant Hill. All the other areas, Nazco, the Hansville fire, all around the center Fraser Plateau is showing significant cooling. Here we are zoomed into the Elephant Hill wildfire, and we can see south of Hyheum, just below center of your screen. And if we look at the north flank, I am seeing some cooling there. We've switched over now to the MODIS system to look at the infrared, and this is where we can see the time delay. What are the newest, most recent spots? And I'm not seeing anything in the last 6 hours. Here we are again. The last 12 hours, really, there's been no or minimal activity. I am seeing some towards Jim Lake at the top of the hill. I am seeing more indications north of North Bonaparte Road. South of Green Lake, I am seeing infrared approaching McMahon Lake and the North Bonaparte, but not crossing it. Again, you want to check with the TNRD, the Cariboo Regional District, and BC Wildfire to get updated bulletins and the fire perimeter map. These indications could be 500 meters to a kilometer off. We've moved over to north of Young Lake, and I am seeing more eastward movement on this MODIS system as opposed to the VIIRS system. So I'm going to suggest that we are seeing a lot of activity within 24 hours around the Moose Lake wreck site and the Sharp Lake wreck site. It's kind of on the north side of the valley there. We're taking a jump down to Hyheum, and this system, the MODIS, is showing a lot more intensity in one solid grouping, and then we have those outliers towards Brousseau and the Barricade Creek region. This is not showing any new activity, and from the time you're seeing this, we're going to speculate the latest infrared around Hyheum is over 9 hours old. As we saw in the introduction, there is so much dead timber sprawled about in those forested blocks. Let's take a quick look at Windy. We are looking at 9 kilometers coming from the west-northwest. It's variable, depends on your position, whether you're on one side of the valley or another. There are some troughs in there where there's low wind speed. Here at Green Lake, where I'm taking this forecast, precipitation should have ended. Some overcast for tomorrow, cooler temperatures. And if we take a quick peek at the big bar cam, I am seeing a clearing of the sky northwards. I am seeing moisture on the pavement. There is, in the top left-hand corner, it looks like that rain cloud's just folding its way south, and it can take any possible lightning with it and have a little snooze. The wildfire is still active, And please check the BC wildfire map. I've had word that there is a new wildfire breaking out east of Kelowna. So if you have concerns in that area, you want to go to see the most recent bulletins. Thank you very much for watching, and please be safe, everyone.